everyone. Myself VPV Yugamurthy, and we founded the Goa Monsoon Football Premier League under the association with legendary Goa Football Association, Goa, and Vasudeva Kudumbagam Social Welfare Trust, and Maitri Organization and Indian Auto Export Solution. And this is the main objective of this Premier League, to encourage the youngsters to play football in the monsoon and collaborating with the tourism and culture. Goa means football, so every people from Goa having a touch wood with the football. So we are first starting this association with Goa Football Association. First year we are conducting with the Goan clubs. Almost 16 clubs are registered with our almost 50 years old clubs are there. Very legendary clubs having a very good legacy. Next year we are planning with the national level. All the league will be happen only in Goa. And third year we are planning in international way, monsoon football Premier League. We are collaborating with two things, to encouraging the youngsters to play more football in monsoon also, and encouraging the tourism to people to visit and enjoy the monsoon climate. The paradise of the world in monsoon is Goa. In this case, we are having a more vision about climate change and sports and climate. People has to in this event, for every goal scored, we are planting 100 trees. It's a 6-a-side match. 6 people will playing. This is an international format of 6-a-side. Like IPL cricket, more goals will be. We are expecting more goals. Vibrant, speed, powerful game will be there. So any kind of goals are there. Any number of goals, we are planting 100 trees with the help of the school children and football players. Again, we are saying, we are campaigning, say no to drugs. Every sports person, they are never into any kind of notorious activities. The person who is not into the sports, any kind of sports, they are diverting their minds and they are diverting the things. So every person should be a sports person. The children should be prevented from the drugs. So two things we are planning. One is from say no to drugs and planting trees and encouraging the football.